So I take it you chose the Wishlist member plugin for your online course or membership. It's a great choice. Well done. I've been using Wishlist for well over 10 years and have set up many online courses for clients. If you've not yet installed Wishlist member, let's go through a quick how-to before we dive in. Inside WordPress, go to Plugins, Add New. Click on Upload Plugin, then on Browse. Locate the zipped file and click on it. Then click Install Now. Activate plugin. Under Dashboard in your admin sidebar, you'll now see Wishlist member listed. Click there. First, you will need to enter your license key. Then, run the setup wizard. Once you set up a level or two as follows, you can skip the wizard to set up more. In the How long will members have access to this level field, select whatever your term is. Normally, I leave it as ongoing. Most memberships and courses allow people to return to study on their own after the course is completed as a perk, though not always. I don't require admin approval if they've registered and or paid and registered. That's all that is usually required. Check the rest of the boxes if applicable to your offer. Since this is not a separate installation of WordPress, I do not want to automatically protect pages, so I check Only Show for each level. In this next screen, enter the email address you want to use for any automated member notifications, such as being added to a new level. Next, select your payment processor, such as PayPal or Stripe, or you have a whole list there, and then your email provider. At this point, I'll exit the wizard and go back to Setup and Finish. Click the plus button at the top to add another level. Type in the level name and repeat until you finish the drip level series. In this case, I'll show 5. Click on your first level to set up the drip schedule, meaning when you want your members to receive the next level. This is only for time, date, delayed content you provide. Click on Actions, it's the last tab over here, then Add Action. In this drop-down, select the trigger added to the level. In the Then Do This, select Add to Level. Next, set the level and the delay. You can set up the user notifications elsewhere instead of individually in this case. Click Add Action. Do that each time for each level until you complete the setup. I'm adding Workshop 2, 3, 4, and 5, each 1 week apart. Great, that's done. Let me show you how to set this up on your member pages. Either add a new page if you haven't created a member page yet with content, or edit the one you did create. Scroll down to the bottom, all the way down to the protection area, and add the level this applies to. Now remember, you set up the next levels to be added to this one, so you don't need to assign them all here. Just apply the one. Apply settings. Let's do another quickly. Okay, do that for each level of content and everything that's included with it, such as additional pages that are allowed for each level. By the way, you can drag this up if you want. If you have multiple assets for your members at different levels, you'll need to create a dashboard, something for them to land on when they log in, so they can access whatever is included. A list, a navigation, things like that. I'll make a video about that in the near future. You don't have to set anything else up over here, no password, no privacy, nothing. I'll briefly cover one more thing, and that's setting up your payment processor integration. Go to Wishlist Member, Setup, Integrations. Select your provider from the list, for example, PayPal. In each of these, you will find a video tutorial over here. Watch that. They did a great job explaining what to do and how for each one. That's it for now. Ask questions in the comments or reach out to me. God bless.